Welcome to Zometric. In this video, we'll look at the Statistical AI module that includes more than 100 statistical tools. You can explore the tools by browsing categories like control charts, capability, and reliability, or you can simply search for exactly what you need. For example, let's look at a process capability analysis tool. Click on the tool, and you will notice the screen is divided into two parts, a data pane on the left and options on the right. In the data pane, you can copy-paste your data or load data from CSV or Excel files using Load Data. To make things easier, Zometric provides example datasets that you can load instantly. Perfect if you're new to a particular tool. Let's try loading an example data. We can see 20 subgroups, 5 samples each. We will select the 5 columns as subgroup columns. We'll enter the lower specification limit as 595 and the upper specification limit as 605. Scroll down to check other options. We will keep them blank as they are all optional fields, and then hit Calculate. Immediately, the results appear on screen. X-bar and R charts, histograms, normal probability plots, and capability indices, all in one view. We can also see the list of Nelson's rules that were violated, indicating instabilities we need to focus on. If you're unsure how to interpret the results, Zometric's AI is ready to help. It explains the findings in plain, easy-to-understand language. Ask any relevant question and wait for Zometric AI to analyze the statistical results and load the response. Prefer another language? With over 100 to choose from, including German, Hindi, and Japanese, you can switch instantly. Let's say we clicked on German, and now everything including the AI interpretation is in German. Now let's look at another example, the Crossed Gage R&R study in measurement system analysis. After loading the example dataset, let's select the part column and part field, operator column and operator field, and measurement column in the response field. In the LSL, let's enter -2.16 and USL 2.26. We will skip entering texts in the optional fields and click on Calculate and wait for the results to load. The results include comprehensive gauge R&R tables, clear visual graphs, and detailed ANOVA outputs, both with and without interaction effects. If you have a specific question, say whether the number of distinct categories is acceptable, you can ask directly. The AI responds immediately. In this case, NDC is 4, which falls below the threshold of 5 and therefore is not acceptable. Clear, simple, and precise. From here, you can also export the complete analysis as a PDF or an Excel file. The Excel export even includes all results, settings, and raw data, so you're never tied down to a proprietary format. Finally, let's explore design of experiments. Setting up a Factorial DOE in Zometric is simple. You start by defining your factors and assigning their low and high levels or ranges. In step 1, click on Fetch Design Options, and Zometric will recommend the most suitable design. Let's select a full resolution design. In step 2, click on Create Designed Experiments, and Zometric instantly generates a set of trials with different factor level settings. You can download this run sheet as Excel or CSV, conduct the experiments, and then paste the results back into the system. Once the data is ready, select the factors and interaction terms, then click on Analyze Experiments. The results include regression equations, ANOVA, residual plots, and a Pareto chart of standardized effects. Here, we can see that the interaction terms are not significant, so let's rerun the analysis without them. Let's select the factors from here, and click on the Analyze the Experiments button again, and wait for the results to reload. This time, the R-squared values improve, and all the factors stand out as significant in the Pareto chart. With this, we can confidently conclude on the regression equation based on the DOE. So, to recap, we've explored a capability analysis, a gauge R&R study, and a Factorial DOE. And that's only scratching the surface of what Zometric Statistical AI can do for you. If you are interested in a personalized demo, a paid subscription, or a free trial, feel free to reach out.